Hi Koketso, I hope you are well. Okay, in our last video, we went as far as discussing all of the sounds from the letter A all the way to the letter E. And so if you will recall, we said that the letter A makes three different sounds. That's A, and R. The letter B makes one sound, that's B. The letter C makes two different sounds, that's K and S. The letter D makes one sound, that's D. The letter E makes two different sounds, and that is E and E. So let's continue from where we left off. We will start today on the letter F. Just to recap the names of the letters from A to Z. The names: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay? And we said that the letter A makes three different sounds: A, R. B makes one sound, B. C makes two sounds, K and S. D makes one sound, D. E makes two different sounds, E and E. So today we will continue. As we can see, the letter F makes one sound, and the sound is F, like in the word F-A-T, fat. F for fat. Okay? And so if we'll read the sound patterns next to the word fat, we have E, F, E, F, E, F, E, F, E, F, E, F. Okay? And so we have the letter G, which makes two different sounds, and the sounds for the letter G are G and J. G for girl. So G for girl, and J for giraffe. J for giraffe. So the two sounds for the letter G, G for girl and J for giraffe. And then we have the letter H, which only makes one sound, and the sound is H, like in the word hug, hug. H for hug. H for hug. Okay, so now we have covered all the sounds from the letter A all the way to the letter H. So A, R, B, K, S, D, E, F, G, J, and H. Okay, so when we come to the sound pattern at the bottom of this page, it's going to incorporate all of the sounds that we've learned from the letter A all the way to the letter H. Okay, so see if you can read the sound pattern with me. Okay. E, F, G, H, E, F, J, H. E, F, G, H, E, F, J, H, H, F, D, B, H, F, D, B, K, A, S, A, E, K, A, S, R, E, K, A, G, S, R, and J. So let's recap the names. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's go through the sounds. A for apple. A for ape. Ah, like in the word bath. So in the word bath, the letter A makes the ah sound. So we say ah like in bath. B for bed. K for cat. S for circle. D for dog. E for elephant. E like in the word he or in the word she. So in the word he and in the word she, the letter E sounds exactly like the name of the letter. It sounds like E. So he, sh, e, she. So in the word he or in the word she, the letter E makes the E sound. F for fat. G for girl. J for giraffe. And H for hug. Now let's recap those names again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And now let's do the sounds. A, B, K, S. D, E, F, G, J, and H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Those are the names of the letters. A, B, K, S. D, E, F, G, J, and H. Those are the sounds that the letters can make. So we'll read this sound pattern one more time before we move on to the next letter. E, F, G, H, E, F, J, H, H, F, D, B, H, F, D, B, K, E, S, E, K, A, S, E, K, A, G, S, J. Right, and now we look at the letter I. The name of the letter is I, and we can see that the letter I makes two different sounds. What are the two different sounds that the letter I can make? The first sound is E for injection, and the second sound is I for ice cream. The sounds in the word injection are E, N, J, E, K, shin. Injection. And the sounds in the word ice cream are I, S, that's ice, K, E, M, cream. You put the word ice and the word cream together as one word and you get the word ice cream. So the letter I makes two different sounds. The sounds are E for injection and I for ice cream. And then we have the letter J, which makes one sound. And the sound is J for jug. J, A, G, jug. J for jug. That's the sound for the letter J. And then we have the letter K, which only makes one sound. And the sound is K for kite. K, I, T, kite. And lastly, we have the letter L, which makes one sound. And the sound made by the letter L is L for lemon. L, E, M, on, lemon. Okay? So, E for injection and I for ice cream. J for jug, K for kite, and L for lemon. So next